Want to screen mirror your Android tablet to your Vizio Smart TV? Here's how to cast an Android tablet screen to your TV, whether it's a Samsung or any other Android tabs. The first step is connecting your tablet to the same Wi-Fi as your Vizio Smart TV. After that, if you have a Samsung tablet, then swipe down and open the control center, swipe down again to expand, click on SmartView, and your Vizio TV should already appear here. On other Android tablets, you'll need to select Cast or Screencast option. But in case you don't see it, then you may need to enable Chromecast. Just tap on these three dots, click on Settings, then Labs, and enable Chromecast support. After that, just force close and reopen SmartView. Voila! There you go, now you have it. Let's tap on our TV and we'll have the Start Casting window. Here you can choose to share a single app for privacy purpose, or you can expand it and select Entire Screen. Then click on Start Casting and boom. Now your tab is being mirrored to your Vizio Smart TV. Now you can share your media or gameplay. When you're done screen mirroring, to exit out, you can simply press the back or home button on the Vizio remote. And there you have it. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next video.